संकल्प लिया था कई दिल आह्वान जन जन से किया है। आदत बदलो बदलेगा देश, सबसे पहले मन
नामुमकिन को हाँ मुमकिन हमने करके दिखाया है।
जन जन ने हाथ मिलाकर सपना सच्चा बनाया है।
सदियों से जो ना देखा किसी ने वो सपना है देखा।
हाँ स्वच्छ बने भारत अपना बापू से यही है सीखा।
इतिहास में है दर्ज हुई भारत की यात्रा। सत्याग्रह से स्वच्छाग्रह तक, सत्याग्रह से स्वच्छाग्रह तक, इतिहास में ये दर्ज हुई भारत की यात्रा। सत्याग्रह से स्वच्छाग्रह
बापूनु सपनू सवे करूं साकार। ए सर जोरे इतिहास काम पड्યું છે પાર।
সম্ভব মোরা করতে পেরেছি, হাতে ধরে স্বপ্ন দেখো সাকার করেছি। यहाँ तक आ पहुँचे हैं अब हमें और आगे जाना। स्वच्छता के धर्म को जीवन में अपनाना।
स्वच्छता ही सेहत है अब सेहत को घर लाना। स्वच्छता संदेश की हमें जोत से जोत जलाना। सत्याग्रह से स्वच्छाग्रह मुडियानदे मुडिंददे देशतकयिन कनवु बलितदे। कईयोडु कई नैंददे पुदिय सरित्तिरम पडैतदे। इंडिया तूय्मय्यानदे
కలసి మనం చూసామే స్వప్నం,
స్వచ్ఛమైంది మన భారతదేశం।
സ്വപ്നമെല്ലാം സത്യമായി ഈനാട് ധന്യമായി സാധ്യമായതെല്ലാം നാം ഒന്നായി തീർത്തിനാം।
ಅಸಾಧ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಿ ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಇತಿಹಾಸವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿದೆ ಭಾರತದ ಯಾತ್ರೆ। ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹದಿಂದ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛಾಗ್ರಹದವರೆಗೆ
नवी अशी पहाट चाललो एक साथ,
झाला सुंदर स्वच्छ देश हा सारा कसा फुला।
भारतस्य इतिहासेषु सुवर्णकान्ति सदृश्य स्वप्नं जातं परिपूर्णं स्वच्छ भारतं नमाम्यहम्।
सत्याग्रह से स्वच्छाग्रह तक,
Cleanliness and sanitation are not just about maintaining personal hygiene. They are fundamental to the health and well-being of a society. The Swachh Bharat mission, also known as SBM, along with the Swachhata Hi Seva campaign, have been pivotal in transforming India's approach to cleanliness. Launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on October 2, 2014, these initiatives have marked a significant shift in our country's journey towards a cleaner and healthier environment. The Swachh Bharat Mission Grameen, or SBMG, has been a cornerstone in rural India's sanitation revolution. The mission set ambitious goals to eliminate open defecation and improve overall sanitation practices. In its first and second phases, SBMG has achieved remarkable milestones. Over 100 million toilets have been constructed, and more than 6 lakh villages have been declared open defecation free, or ODF. These efforts have led to significant health improvements, economic benefits, and environmental conservation, profoundly impacting the lives of millions. Now the mission's focus has evolved towards Sampurn Swachhata, or complete cleanliness. This phase aims to achieve holistic sanitation by addressing both solid and liquid waste management across rural India. By implementing comprehensive strategies, the mission strives to ensure that every village not only maintains its ODF status, but also progresses towards sustainable cleanliness and hygiene practices. The Swachhata Hi Seva campaign, running from 5 to 7 minutes, is an integral part of the Swachh Bharat mission. This campaign emphasizes the importance of cleanliness and the collective effort needed to achieve it. People's participation is crucial as it transforms the mission from a government initiative into a nationwide movement. We have seen inspiring stories where individuals and communities have taken remarkable steps to promote cleanliness. From organizing local cleanup drives to innovative waste management solutions, these efforts showcase the power of collective action. By working together, we can create a cleaner, healthier India for future generations. Now, it's time for all of us to step up. Individual contributions are vital in making the Swachh Bharat mission a success. We encourage you to participate in cleanliness drives, spread awareness, and inspire others to join in. Every small effort counts and leads us closer to our goal of a clean India. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key points. The Swachh Bharat mission aims to create a cleaner, healthier India through collective effort and individual contributions. The Swachhata Hi Seva campaign highlights the importance of people's participation and showcases inspiring initiatives by communities and individuals. A clean India has a profoundly positive impact on public health, the environment, and overall quality of life. We urge you to be a part of this transformative movement. Join the Swachh Bharat mission